everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Supply chain management is one crucial part of the business sector. An efficient supply chain system will help ensure the success of a particular business. Let's have a look at a real-life example. Say, for example, you're running a restaurant. You invest so much into the ingredients, the utensils, and the chef. The chef makes a tasty meal ready to deliver. The issue arises when the delivery is not made on time due to inexperienced rider or perhaps unclear delivery location or wrong order, etc., etc. So what would be the outcome? Well, the food could go bad, people wouldn't see you as reliable and stop ordering from you, and your investment would go to waste. The supply chain management system is the necessary component for higher productivity. Back in the old days, people would travel for miles and supply high demanding commodities. People faced many challenges back then. But now, with advanced technology, the supply chain system has revolutionized, allowing businesses to provide smooth delivery, real-time tracking, and computerized invoicing. In today's video, we're going to look at 5 innovative technologies that are improving the supply chain department. These technologies not only reduce the delivery time, but also prove to be cost-effective, practical, and error-free. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you can think of any more innovative technologies, feel free to leave them in the comments as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. The first one on our list is the Green Internet of Things. It's one of the most intriguing technologies that you can find today. Almost every industry has been adopting IoT. Everything from your goods, to shipping, to containers, to the warehouses. Each thing can now depend on an intelligent system. This innovative central system ensures that everything goes smoothly from manufacturing to delivery. Some crucial aspects of IoT in the supply chain system are freight monitoring, environmental status, tracking locations, manufacturing faults, fragile goods monitoring, and so much more. The word Green IoT implies that this new management system is environmentally friendly as well. Amazon, Alibaba, and other high-profile companies have been applying environment safety measures in their deliveries. Since then, the global delivery and tracking system has been improved as well. In fact, it's also providing immense benefits to small and large businesses in terms of logistic transparency, smart procurement, and much more. Also, if we look at it from a business point of view, there are many benefits of using Green IoT. For example, reduced energy cost. It can help to find new revenue streams and help companies to get a global reputation as well. The next on our list is the OnDemand Warehouse. A fully functional warehouse is necessary for a successful running business. You need to store a considerable chunk of stock in the inventory and supply it when the time comes. Many companies had to build more warehouses due to the increasing demand. For items in limited warehouse capacity, building a new warehouse would cost them a fortune. A new concept called the OnDemand Warehouse came into existence. A part of shared economy programs, the idea was simple. You can rent a warehouse whenever you want to obtain more space for your inventory. This was a temporary rental agreement, and it saved people a lot of cost. Flex introduced this technology. Flex would contact companies who were in desperate need of vacant warehouse, and then they would provide them the space over a legal agreement. This innovation helped to boost the supply chain system and directly earn profits for both the provider and the renter. The third on our list is chatbots. Chatbots have been replacing real humans in the supply chain sector. A chatbot is simply a robot that chats with you to assist you. And chatbot technology has brought a tremendous change to the customer service and supply chain industries. Chatbots save companies the cost of having to hire people for customer care because chatbots are much faster at responding to queries and troubleshooting the issue. For example, a medical supply company using a chatbot, the clients would text them about the availability, price, delivery, or anything related to medicine, and the bot will reply instantly. These chatbots are connected with the inventories for better insight. Amazon has introduced a similar technology called Amazon Lex. You can set up a chatbot through Amazon Lex, which will describe comprehensive details about the inventory. Number 4 is big data and robots. With big data, you can better understand geological locations, tracking, and cloud-based visibility. Robots have also contributed to the supply chain management system. Companies have developed robots that can perform better warehouse surveillance, transfer goods from one location to the other, and do fleet management. You can develop a robot with the help of big data. Collaborating with these two technologies can produce remarkable outcomes. An example of this would be Uber Eats drone delivery plans, where they would have the drone fly on its own to each destination and deliver food. And the last on our list is SelfService Logistics. An example of this would be Amazon's Flex program. The Flex program will allow individuals to create their own mini logistics company for delivering Amazon goods in their area. You can also add employees and a fleet of vehicles for delivering the items. This system would help to reduce the delivery issues in specific areas. You could also add eco-friendly bicycles to your fleet for places where trucks can't reach. This innovative technology resolves delivery issues and provides a platform for emerging youth by making them the owner of their logistics company. The supply chain management system is all about ups and downs. Having up-to-date technologies installed in your company can help guarantee better deliveries and smooth logistics. Also, adding these 5 technologies can definitely help improve industries to achieve a high place in the market. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments down below. Also, once again, don't forget to let us know if you can think of any more innovative technologies. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.